So these are going to be the new lights for that. So these are just going to be, they're just much cleaner, much nicer, a bit more modern as well than what is on there at the moment. So those ones aren't tinted. I did that a couple of weeks ago, and like, it looks better. It's just not as good as I'd like it to look. But they should really clean up the back end of that a lot more. Problem is though, they are slightly different shapes, so I've had to get a new bumper for it as well to fit. So these ones kind of have like that little dip here. I've had to get the bumper to kind of suit. First step before we start going and swapping out lights, that thing needs a quick respray. I think we need to do a little bit of wiring for these. So we've got our reverse light there, but we don't have one on this side. We've got an extra brake light. Whereas these ones, it's got two reverse lights. So it has a bit more of a even look. That means we've got to try and figure out the wiring to hook up both reverse lights. Take the bumper off. Rattly. Take the rear bumper off, take the lights off, get them on today at least, and then tomorrow figure out wiring. Yep, that broke. That broke. That's alright. I got new ones of them anyway. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my dumbass bird over there is mimicking the... I'm gonna put the camera over there for a second, see if it picks it up. Actual dumbass, that one. Oh yeah, I don't know if you've seen the previous video where well, it wasn't the exact previous one, but I did a video a little bit ago doing a tint on these. I still haven't actually driven the car really, but I was just bored and I had some light tint in there. It's okay. I wish it was a bit glossier than what it is. Like, this is just a straight matte finish. At night, no problems. You can see them perfectly fine. During the day though, it's just as well I didn't drive because I would have been rear-ended so quickly. But a little tip when you're getting these out, pull this way because there's two clips going there. If you go that way, you're going to end up breaking your clips. Pop for me, baby. There we go. Okay, so we got a little pop plastic shite thing there. That's doing nothing. Got another one over that side. There is meant to be two more on the edges as well, but those are long gone. There's a few underneath. There should be anyway. Who knows how many of them are broken and gone. Masking nicely. Son of a... You're coming out today. I'm not doing that. Some vice grips, man. What the? Still holding on to something, apparently. You can go. Broken. So there's meant to be two here. One there. But we only have one. So I'm glad that's being held on well. It's probably the same story on the other side. Yeah, one. Ooh, bugger. I need to disconnect my number plate lights. Something I should have done long before doing any of this. Test fit. Oh. Those need to come off. That does make things a bit more annoying. They're not going on tonight. So we're good to cut all of these ones. Okay, let's start with the easy one. Just make sure that works. Awesome. Alright, next one we need. Let's try brakes. I gotta remember which one's which actually. We got different colors there. The black obviously is black. I'm hoping the solid green is solid green, and then the stripe is the red. Oh, amazing. Oh. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So all of this works. That's our reverse. I've got to tap 2 more lines from that. I'm probably just going to run them across the back here for the other side, because obviously we don't have the reverse connections on the other side, being that it only had 1 reverse light from factory. Yes, that looks so good. Amazing. So it's been a couple days because I completely forgot to film an outro for this thing, but that looks so much better. And these lights are very, very hard to come by as well, because there were others I could find, but the problem is they had that little the extra brake light on the side here, so it's just the one reverse light. I think I got a few little extra bits I got to do up the front, but in terms of like big jobs, I think that's about it for now.